Yo, me nua no me chiachia mo. Me chiachia mo. Ti wa ba so bia no me chia wo. Wa ba so bia me chia wo. Wa ba so bia me chia wo. And to aba so no wa share page no. Ene ye be che reason ti a ye nua twini Jonas say America heaven. Ene ye be kire wo. Ene ye be kire wo ama wahu. The reason tia ye nua no can say America na ye heaven no ye be kire wo into wabaso a share se wabaso a share se wabaso a mesro se obe so wabaso a share ene me be prove a kire wo de ntia ye nua no ka kire mu se America ye heaven na nya America nko a obroni krom ye heaven no me ba be prove a kire wo me do basic knowledge na wonim no say ye nua ba akọ Ben Moshe obi anim no Ghana ho Ben Moshe ka kire mu se onyi nyame ni but mo asofo no kire mu se nyame bi tesoro me pese me hu de broni aye wa adwen enti a unim se ekufo ado na wo so force no ma waduane di na wodi ugidie ene utumi nyina wodi akwa akoma mo ma me 1 minute me ba mo nyina so to share page no the obe yan so be share page no de broni dia ye wa adwen no na me betirem dia kire wo de broni wo dia ye wa adwen no once wo didi say o ko heaven enu nti no umpese e be ye Ghana ye me kire wo de nti a ye nua twini Jonas o si America ye heaven a mo nti ase no me ba be kire wo de ye kire wo basic school secondary school JHS baby a wako school edubian I'm going to use the solar system no the basic thing to prove that ye woman ye heaven onko honko fa good heaven ho onko onko renam wo ho say even say wo heaven wo ho mpo a onko ye sa anwoma nyina wo ho na de wo se wo ye ne say wo ti o manum na o man nya ka kire kufu ado de o ye o leader no na on chichire o man no o ka kire o leader no a o be chichire o man no ene me be prove di akire. The basic knowledge you know, they say the sun sits in the centermost of the solar system. Area ni I'm in far red ne kranye. Na who say area? The same position ye na mo hu. Ya me pese me kire. Ene mo beti nsem wo ha sei mo aya na mo pese mo de religion be distracting nsem na ye ka no ha no ye be mo ati nyoma bi ase enie yes solar system no aye sei ena ewia ne dan finfin orbit no edonso obia na me de ena asase nie asase a me gina so ya nunie ne so de ntia all catch them say America is heaven no earth eno so na me gyina yi na why light energy bia no unim say awia ne to a at the light beam no ba tie mfa say light no spot ba ko nie nti e fa ha say na fa ha na yenhwe axis no minia mon awia nie asase nie de enkofo animdifo mo betena awia se bi kan ye ne say Roman for ka kire awia se say awia ni mo nkofa asase ne ho ena akwa bi a ye fe no Galileo of Venice ewo Italy ono oka oye father of modern science ho onya telescope toy from a Netherlands or Holland scientist ho in the toy no mu no ena hu say sa lens a ye di view nioma ena ono atena ase na oye ne de into oye ne de na otimi hu say sa ne lens no utimi de hwehwe moon no enti akire no hu moon e de say bibi say bon say bo so me to a no hu ne say it's like half and no your friend of crescent I say crescent every baby a no hu no in a dish form or this form or di mu sa no hu say sa enye de Roman for ne kan ye no enye de Roman for ne kan ye say awia ne mom kofa asase ne ho na mom eya asase na ekofa awia ne ho eno no enkofo om di kan ye Bruno mo ne ade nyina no Roman for ne ti wom ku wom me ka trawo ye num say ye hu a ehu ewo environment ni mu because de ono di edi asori di usika no de wase wa adwen no ono mpese obehu we ye be mo wahu ansa na nyame beto nsa afre ya wato nsa afre ye be ma mo wahu when the titiri wiase enye hele baba it is this thing na titiri wiase na kosunetie enti Roman for say awia ekofa asase ho ena Galileo ebe ka say there bi eya asase ni mom ena ekofa awia ho na awia ne de ejina faako so na chese Galileo be kan asem no na asem a ewo apamda da ni mu a Joshua say na onyankopon ma awia ne gina aye no enye no kore na onyankopon ma awia ne gina aye akosi se odi nkunim no enye no kore because omo ana omo tro Bible no na omo ni sa knowledge we the sun doesn't move. It is rather the earth and other objects no and our bodies no na kofa sun ne ho na tie me prove at now the entire America and over here any UK heaven no awia ne to a eto ha say na mo re mfi say enipa gyina ho say o enipa gyina ho say enipa gyina ho say enti wo hwe globe no a America wo mensa benkum mensa bonkum so baby a me wo no me wo Korea me wo monsa nifa so enti AM ana say US ena China Korea Japan ye nyina ye wa ha na de tie nie sisi America say Messi ya wadam eye ahomache 12:46 AM sisi Ghana abo 3:46 PM natio mo Bible no troye Revelation chapter 1 verse 17 or see na anyone nyina behu the coming of the Lord mimi atio sisi mimi haye ahomache mimi haye ya wada ahomache wo Ghana no eye ukuada awia eye den na me ene wo se Yesu Kristo pie wo wie mu a Yesu Kristo pie wo wie mu a eye den na me ne wo ye behu Yesu Kristo at the same time because we are not in the same time Mimi dina ha, sisi America say mimi dina ha mini. Wa o kasa o se ha baby. Because America niya wa o kasa no, o se ha baby. Na unim say mimi tu mania na bi pagya na ni hwe soro a aha say na yemi skies. This side na yemi skies. America tu na ni pe o hwe ha say America skies ni de o UK wo soro ha o tu na ni a ni skies ni Ain't all of these guys, no? Can who say until there's two movements. There are two movements. One is the sun revolving around the sun, the earth revolving or going around the sun, and the other movement is that whilst the earth moves around the sun, it also rotates on its own axis. Inti air koni inana eno so su twan ho. Air koni inana eno su twan ho. Saa dia asase na anka se twan ho no, ene ma ye day and night no. Inti ene sisi ya me no kasa yi. Me skies ye ha. Ade beti na ho, ade asan ho no. Na ye move ne ye ba be face awia ne light no. Inti na ye etena mo na nsori no. Mo nsori anopa 6 AM no na aboye ha say enwumre 3 PM Saturday friends say Thursday enwumre ana awia 3 PM na yesu aba be di ha and na my day and night. The rotation of the earth gives day and night. Good. Now she say mimi dina ha mapagya mani ahwesoro me si me sky ni Georgia America Yeni aba aritokwe wapagya nani ahwesoro ono nso hwe sei so ehefa na Jesus Christ opf aba. Where is Jesus Christ appearing from? The what is shape so a onam asia ha say ni na yisuo the what is shape so a onam shape ni so onam epone so no aha say na ye the skies enti aha say no na stars ni nyina gu enti u ka kire me say all eyes will see the coming of the Lord. Now me busa say, which of the skies? And I Jesus Christ to aba. Is it the sky of the Asians, the skies of the Africans, the skies of the Europeans, or the skies of the Americans? Which of them? Minya, don't sit down for someone to cajole or bamboozle you. Which of the skies? And then I hire me sky. So me free 90 echo day na me sun more. The western part in our me skies. So me call morning more. The eastern side me skies. So mama mu rent say already no earth no air suspend you in CBBR so. Air suspend in CBBR so. So yes, Christ obe pie wo ha. Jesus Christ obe ba ha na. Jesus obe pie fi ha. Ana Jesus obe pie fi ha. Ana Jesus be pie fi ha. Ana obe pie fi ha. Na mu o hwa de ogina ha no. Light ni to a. Aha na ye day. De light ni nkobia aha nyina ye dark area. Enti aha ewia bo wo ha, ewia mo wo ha. Say we are bow ye hanso a na America for atanya behwe sei enti no na ye na aba benya awia no. So which of these four skies and Jesus Christ e be pie fi aba? Mini am ni bisamo. Which of these skies and Jesus Christ e be pie fi aba? One who say Yesu Christo catch them say Yesu Christo e catch them say ma ba asase so menemo ka asase so asem monte na esro asem na mo beti ase de ofiri soro no ono nko na tre esuro nsɛm ase omo true book no they didn't get this kind of knowledge. They didn't get this kind of knowledge. Galileo proved the Joshua kind wrong, no, and no nene ama yetimi the aeroplane. And no nene ama the aeroplane echo all over the world. So ye nuya Jonas say catch say America is heaven now. Indeed, America is heaven. Why? It's a place of pleasure. You can even create your own heaven in Ghana, whereby it's a work clean and good heart. When this is the knowledge the people do not want you to understand. And nothing abrofun omo channel omo energies na just to build their country. Where they came from, they don't think about. But where the future generation is going is what they think about. Say, Etna, ye ni hon mo ye mama omo beba no, ehimfa no omo ko. Mibisao, this is the cosmos knowledge. Astrology. Galileo. Copernicus. Na Copernicus akasase mu ya to that. They could not disprove it until a Netherlands scientist and now say that time na oko London Imperial one baby and now I say Isaac Newton hweso no until say benya this beautiful knowledge na Roman for say asase ye flat one asase ne kra na ejina ho na awiane na ekofa asase ne ho. Galileo from Venice Italy ono discover asade we sa Italy krono a esi nsuo mu no Italy krono esi nsuo mu no papa ne ho no free Galileo entisi say mi dina ha me no kasa mi dina ha entisi say esumu ne ewo ade atia ne ya ba be pie ha na mo nso soma kodi ha bi. The rotation of the earth will give us the 24 hours am I a day and night no into half 12 hours over that day mu 12 hours over night mu depending on the position baby I was no New Zealand money ade no almost se ha into New Zealand ne hono no baby no aya a chepa ansa na o magusum eho etimi bobi anwumre be 9 enso na still an omhu awia no. So heaven ni nyina ne say na Ghana ma Akufo-Addo NC school dan papa ma you be in heaven. Ma Akufo-Addo ma hospital te said ye onenam UK abonten so kosan ho yare or so ko education summit oboa ne nkweyaba or kosa sa yare no. This is the hard truth. Minya ben mo say what can the Bible not prove? The Bible not prove. I am using the basic knowledge with the solar system no why light energy be so you understand this. Abrofunity we ask no to religion to twene. And you know one funny thing, when Galileo discovered this knowledge, it was the time in Europe, in America, in the Scandinavians they called that period the age of enlightenment. And honey nipa they say ye pia religion atonchen ye you see yadri and no the father of common sense. The name is Thomas Paine, one of the founding fathers of America. America ne si wono omo tetri America no. They wrote in God we trust on their currency to deceive you. They don't trust in God. America trusts in science. It is science that has built America, not religion. All that science is doing is that science is disproving the Roman dogma, the Roman Catholic dogma. So the proof is on the board. Why? And why you shouldn't expect any creature called Jesus Christ in the skies. It's not going to happen. If you have clear conscience, you are Jesus Christ. If you love your fellow man, your fellow woman, your neighbor, you are Jesus Christ. This figure, no, on your physical figure, be as you. Ye di dili or adwin. Na sia for ni busa no. Oka chom say, "Hwe, Yesu wahenie no osese obi ka cho say hwe, ahenie ni wa ha eni nachi. Ahenie ni wo ho a eni nachi, na ahenie ne wai ewo mu." Those who wrote the Bible, no. A stories are ye can't show so that ube hu nua mobo na nua nso agu mobo. So this is the basic thing. This is the basic principle. What I want to be no, make cut a short part no. I'm there to YouTube channel so no akwa kofe for you. So this is it. The basic solar system no. So what me disprove we me say all of us have we have one skies there, then Jesus Christ will come. But once we do not have the same skies at the same time, that statement is null and void. So this is it. The earth revolves around the sun, and whilst the earth is revolving around the sun, it rotates on its axis, and the rotation on its axis produces or gives the world the day and night. Okay? The people of America, they have their own skies, as and when, according to the rotation of the earth on its axis, no, will give you your particular sky. The different continents cannot have the same skies at the same time. So if somebody tells you that Jesus Christ will appear in the skies and all eyes shall see the coming of the Lord, it's not true. Because we do not have the same skies. My sky right now is different from your sky. Your sky is different from my sky. The one serving on the sea has also a different sky. The people in Europe have their separate sky, depending or according to the rotation of the earth. This is the proof. So which of the skies is Jesus Christ going to come from? We don't know. This is the question. Take it home and ponder, cogitate, muse on this particular knowledge. I tell you, after going through this, sit down, take your time. I know some of you are annoying. Oh yes, sir. If you get annoying, you're not going to learn. Put what you know already aside and try to understand certain basic principles from here. You will now come back to the realization that what I am telling you is the painful and the hard truth. If you take it, that's fine. I'm not here to tell you that stop following or practicing your religious dogma. That is not, I'm speaking the hard truth. I am speaking the hard truth. Whoever has the ears can go on and listen. But if you think it is too deep for you, please, you can go and these preacher men will extort you. That's your own cup of tea. But the little that I can do to help you is what I have done today. Adios. Nankupon ko bibia ho. Me de manu asi. Bye bye. Me chi obi bia. Me time ason. Nankupon ko bibia ho. Me da say mobile mbehwe. This is deep. I know some of you will not have it so simple and easy. I know some of you, I think, yes, Afina, I think say those of you didn't get it right. This is how the whole thing is supposed to be. This is how the whole thing is supposed to be. I needed to change the position of the camera. This is the sun. This is the earth. This is the eastern part of the earth. This is the western part, the southern part, and the northern part. So which of these skies is Jesus Christ going to come from? We do not have the same sky. You see, whatever is here will be seen by people who are here. The skies over here is seen by people who are here. And the skies here will be seen by people who are here. And it goes like that. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 separate skies. Which one is Jesus Christ going to appear from? This is the difficult question you have to ask yourself. And this is my basic principle to disprove that Revelation 1:17, that all eyes will see the coming of the Lord, is false. Finito. Nyankopon ko bibia ho. Makramo. Adios. Bye bye.